rise with discipline. They move with purpose. Every step, every beat, every formation. Precision that inspires. Energy that electrifies. This is not just practice. This is pride in motion. Get ready to witness strength, unity, and the spirit of Bharat Academy and Sciences. Sports Day 2025, 13th of December, where champions march and memories begin.